Hey, you guys, I hope all is well with you all. I'm getting ready my late salad. Oh my gosh, it's late. What I have here is some cauliflower or my couscous, mock couscous. I have some broccoli here, some baby kale, some green onions. I think that's it. And then I have this dress, oh, an avocado. And this dressing, you guys. Ooh, baby, baby, baby. Ooh. It has avocado in it, so I don't want to overdo that. That avocado. That fat. But let's see how this tastes. Wait, let me take a picture. Let's see how this tastes. I can't wait to try it with the broccoli. Take a picture. I guess it don't do it. Chloe, take a picture. For Wait, do it again. Wait, do it again. All right, thank you. All right, let's taste it now. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Oh my gosh. I would put more stuff in here, but I'm trying to make it basic and using what I have. Let's try with the avocado. Let's try it. Boy, that look like right couscous on it. This is so good. I'm gonna put some more dressing on here. And this is my dinner. Oh, my dressing is the dressing that I made the other night. This one have avocado in it. I don't think I put avocado the other night. But anyway, and I have thyme and Italian cumin. It is so delicious, you guys. And I think I have 3 or 4 dates in there. But anyway, this is so yummy. I'm getting ready to go and finish my dinner. 1,000 roses, one love, baby. What you eating for dinner? What you eating? What you eating, though?